This video will cover scan tailoring. Scan tailoring is the step that you take after you combine the PDFs. So first you're going to want to go to your computer, go to WS Tasks, select eText, and find the book that you are working on. The book I'm working on is Linker Art from the Ashes. You're going to hit PDF. You're going to select the chapter that you are working on. For this video, I will be showing a chapter that has already been previously done, but I will go step by step to show you exactly how to do it if it wasn't done. So first, when you open up the PDF, it will lead you to this Adobe file. You're going to go to File, and you're going to go to Save as Other. You're going to go to Image, and then TIFF. You're going to want to save this into your In folder. Hit Save. Excuse me. Then you're going to want to open up ScanTailor, hit New Project, Browse. This is where you're going to want to find your In folder. As you can see, there's nothing here, but when you select the folder, all of Chapter 2 is here. You're going to hit OK. So like I said, this has already been done, but there's 6 simple steps on the side: fix orientation, split pages, deskew, select content, margins, and output. Your fix orientation, you're just going to make sure that you rotate the pages so that they're all one way. And you can just hit play. It'll fix all the pages. Your split pages, like I said, this has already been done. Normally, when you split pages, you're going to hit this half, which will split it right in half. And then, again, you're going to hit play. Make sure that everything is split correctly. With your deskew, you're going to make sure your pages are aligned. Sometimes they'll be very crooked like that, and all you want to do is straighten them out, make sure that they're all going the right way, all in order, and all very nice and neat. And then again, you're going to hit that play button. Select content. What you want to do here is make sure that everything is tightly selected. That way you don't have the excess paper or white. Again, hit play. It'll do it to all pages. Your margins, again, you want that as closely and tight as possible. Most of the time this is all set up all right. You don't really need to fix margins too much, but do pay close attention to it. For output, you're always going to select color grayscale, and you're always going to select white margins. Then hit play. What this basically does is take out the excess white or black marks, makes it very clean, very neat, and easy to read. I will pause the video while this happens. So once you've finished with these 6 steps, you're not going to save anything. You're just going to minimize. And then you're going to open up Adobe. So normally it's on the desktop. For this, it's not, but you can always search it. This, you're going to want to exit, and you're going to open it one more time. And click Combine Files into PDF. Go to Add Files. You're always going to select your Out folder. If you click the first page, hold down Shift, and click the last one, it'll select everything. Then you're going to click Open and Combine Files. Now it's going to combine all the files. And what you're going to want to do here, most important step, is always recognize the text in the file. So you're going to hit OK. As you can see, it goes through each page, recognizes the text. After you're done, you're going to go to File, Save As. You're going to want to go and find the text you are working on. Again, you're going to go to PDF, select the chapter you are working on, and yes, you want to replace the existing file. You don't need to rename anything. You replace it with the edited ScanTailor version, and you can exit out of the Adobe. You want to exit out of ScanTailor, always hit discard. You can exit out of pretty much everything. Another important step that you shouldn't forget is at the end, when you exit out everything, make sure you go back into your in folder. Click the out folder, hold shift, click the bottom, delete everything. Mainly because you are going to be using the in folder for each chapter. You don't want the in folder to have previous chapters because it'll be mixed up and it'll just get confusing from there. But all in all, that's how you do scan tailoring.